Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to look into inner join. So what is an inner join? Inner join means that you are actually joining two tables together where only the common records from both the tables are going to be kept and rest are going to be removed, as in the symbol here. As you can see, table 1 and table 2, where only the intersections is going to be kept in the final data set, else it is going to be removed. Where Amit and Sukhi here is available in both the data set and rest are not. So I have an example created in Qlik Sense where I have a simple data set saying that it's going to inner join to table 1, and a simple data where I have Amit, Sukhi, Ankit, and over here I have Amit, Sukhi, and Darshan. So let's load this data and see what do we actually get. So by going into the data model viewer, we are going to see that only those records which are available, that means Amit and Sukhi, are going to be loaded, else it is going to be chunked off. So this is how inner join works, and this is very helpful when you create a data model where you know that the master data is going to be available in your transaction data and you want to get rid of the data where the master data isn't present. So this is a very helpful join to reduce the data very fast.